Are you applying your serums incorrectly? Great day, ladies and gentlemen. I'm Dr Ingky, your digital skin doctor, and welcome to Skynfyx, Asia's premier platform whereby we give you the best skincare advice. And today, we'll be talking about serums. More importantly, how do you actually apply serums correctly? And what are the general mistakes you might be using with your serums, especially if you're not getting the results that you want? What are face serums? Now, face serums generally are applied after your cleanser and before your moisturizer. Now, serums comes in all shapes and forms, as you can see in front of me, and generally it comes in all kinds of sizes and colors as well. Serums are generally clear liquid, depending on the colors, but they are generally quite clear, and there are some like this, which is a little bit yellowish in color depending on the active ingredients. There are some like niacinamide ones, which are mildly cloudy, and there are some which are clear, like the Nihon Triple Action Serum, but they are completely clear. Serums also come in multiple consistencies. Some can be very aqueous, means very watery, and some can be mildly thick, slightly more liquid than your moisturizer. However, they all have something in common. They are absorbed quickly and generally applied before your moisturizers. Now, why should you apply a serum? Majority of the time, the molecules are smaller and they do not have multiple additives. They carry high concentration of active ingredients. What are active ingredients? Active ingredients are ingredients which have a direct effect on your skin. Something like a vitamin C, or a niacinamide, or retinol. All of these are active ingredients. Serums can be used for acne-prone skin, combination skin, dry skin, dull skin, even pigmentation skin. So now that we know what serums are, how do you actually apply your serums? There are a few ways which you can use to apply your face serums. Now, for intents and purposes for demonstration, we're going to use the Nihon Triple Action Serum. First of all, most serums comes in a small bottle, and majority of the serums comes in a dropper form. So how do you apply your serums? There are multiple ways you can actually apply it. The first way is you drop it directly on your finger and you apply it on your skin. The rule of thumb is 1 drop for 1 quadrant of the face. 1 quadrant is a left cheek, 2nd quadrant is a right cheek, 3rd quadrant is the forehead, and the 4th quadrant is your nose and your chin. An example, 1 drop for the right cheek, and massage it gently into your skin for no more than 5 to 10 seconds and allow it to absorb. And then you can apply the same drop over your opposite cheek, forehead, nose, and chin. Method number 2. Take a full dropper and apply it on your palms. And after that, you can massage the serum into your palms, heating it up. And then place it onto your cheeks. Leave it there for a couple of seconds, then continue in other areas. And all of this without having to massage it on your skin. However, I'm not a big fan of this method because it leaves a little bit of serum in your palms. The third method is the direct dropper method. I understand that a lot of people do not like this method because it might contaminate your serum. However, you do not have to worry because majority of serums do contain preservatives. So a direct dropper method means that, example, you want to apply directly onto your forehead, you can just put 1 simple drop on the forehead and then massage it in. But always remember, before applying your serums, to not only cleanse your face, but to make sure your fingers and your palms are clean. So now that's how you use your face serums. So you might not be getting the right results from your serums. It's because there are a couple of mistakes you might be doing. First of all, you might not be using the right amount of serum. Generally, the directions are on the serum bottle to let you know whether you're using a full dropper, a half dropper, or just a couple of drops of serum. You might be underusing or overusing your serums. Second mistake, the orders of your serums might be wrong. Now, the rule of thumb is always apply a skincare which is more aqueous, more watery first, and then the thicker one comes next. So always apply your serums first before your moisturizer or your face oil. How about those using multiple serums? Example, you might be using 2 different forms of serums. Then next up, you need to discover whether the serums that you're applying, which order do they come first. So the more watery first and the thicker ones come later. So if you're not sure, what you can do a test. Put 1 drop of serum on each finger. And then hold it right up. The one that runs down quicker should always be applied first. In this case, this serum goes first, and after that comes this serum. Next mistake, expecting results from your serums too quickly. Even though serums contain high concentration of active ingredients, most serums require no shorter than 2 weeks up to 4 weeks to see any noticeable results. So do give your serum time for it to work. Other mistakes, you might not be using the right serum for your face. There are certain active ingredients which might not be suitable for your skin. Do your research, whether it's on social media or you can read articles to see which active ingredients are suitable for you, and do not just follow trends. And the last mistake that you might be doing with a serum is you're substituting it for a moisturizer. Even though serums do act partially as a hydrator and moisturizer, it is not a substitute for a moisturizer. This is because the HA content or the glycerin content in serums are very low, so they do not act as a protection layer for your skin. So always remember to use serums and then apply a thin layer of moisturizer after. So there we have it, ladies and gentlemen. What are serums? How do you apply it? And what common mistakes you might be making when applying your serums? If you like this video, please click a like and do comment below. Always remember to turn on the notification bell button so you'll be notified of any new videos that we launch. And until next time, I'm Dr. Ingky, your digital skin doctor, and do remember to stay safe, stay healthy, and most importantly, stay informed.
Dah penat bazirkan masa dan duit untuk kulit anda? Kami sedia membantu anda. Skynfyx adalah platform yang menyediakan pendidikan penjagaan diri secara percuma. Skynfyx dikendalikan oleh doktor kulit dan pakar penjagaan kulit. Anda boleh berbual dengan doktor kulit kami dari keselesaan rumah anda. Selain konsultasi secara percuma, Skynfyx juga menawarkan nasihat yang khusus dibuat untuk masalah kulit anda dan penghantaran terus ke pintu rumah anda. Skynfyx, doktor kulit digital anda.